thank you because you heard us tonight. I believe everyone who just said, save my family, I believe he heard you. I believe he heard you. Now, can you worship God in advance because he heard you? Jesus said, Lord, I thank you because you hear me always. Come on, can you lift up a praise that says, God, thank you that you hear us. You don't ignore us. You hear our hearts cry. You hear every prayer, Jesus. Y'all know this song that just says, blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. He's been my fourth man in the fight, time after time. Glory. I'm born of his spirit, washed in his blood, and what he did for me, I hear y'all, on Calvary is more. We're not waiting, it's not a solo, let's do it together. Say, I trust in God. Make one big praise team, my Savior. Say, who will never fail. I believe God's gonna do something if you trust him tonight. Even bigger. Say, I trust in God. Who is he tonight? My Savior. My Savior, the one who will never. I promise you, he won't fail you. He will never fail. And perfect submission, and all is at rest. And I know the author of tomorrow is ordered my steps. Yeah, this is my story, and this is my song. Oh, I'm praising my risen King and Savior all So all the earth will shout your praise. Our hearts will cry. These bones will that great
Great are you, Lord.
say all the earth will, all the earth will shout your praise. What you gonna cry? One more time. All the earth will. All the earth will shout. All the earth will. On me. All the earth will shout your praise. Our hearts will cry. These bones will say. Our hearts. Hey, these bones will. All the earth will shout your praise. Hey, these. One more time. All the. I'm ready. Let's go. Lift up those hands. Everybody, these bones will say. Open your mouth and sing to the Lord. Hey, I won't let a rock cry out in the place. No, these bones will sing. So I sought the Lord. He heard, answered. I sought the Lord. He heard and he answered. He heard and he answered. He heard. His ear is open. He heard. Say, he heard and he heard. What did he do? He heard. You prayed. He answered. You cried. He answered. You slept. He answered. You ran. He answered. You jumped. He answered. Yes. He heard. He answered. He heard. He answered. He heard. Let's go. That's why this is my story. This is my song. The words coming. I'm praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story. This is my song. I'm praising my Savior. Say, I sought the Lord. Yeah. If you know he hears you tonight, scream. I sought the Lord. I sought the Lord. I sought the Lord. I sought the Lord. I got down on my knees. Said, Lord, help me, please. He didn't ignore me. He didn't ignore me. His ear was open to my heart's cry. So I trusting on my Savior, the one who will. I'm done. The word is coming. He will never fail. Just y'all, we're done. I trust. Say, I trust. I believe if you trust him, something's gonna happen. Who would ever? No, he will never fail. Y'all play. Now somebody worship like God just answered every prayer.